Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make videos on YouTube and earn money. You can say tips and tutorials. Let's start off. As you see, here's our YouTube page, and you see multiple videos. So if you want to upload a video, you first have to create a Google account. So let's go and create one. Here we go. As you see, click on the first one. Okay. As you click here, here's my Google account. Let me sign up. Log off. Sign out, as you say. I signed out. We're gonna use another account, so we say create account. Okay. Here you see multiple sort of fields in which you have to fill your first name, last name, your username, your password, and you're gonna confirm password. Well, this is gonna be easy, so I'm gonna skip this one. Okay, here we go. Skip this one out. Okay. Well, things will come out when you create a YouTube channel. Well, if you have created this one, you have created your Gmail account. Just think about it, that you have created your Gmail account, and now you come out here and log in. Okay, you're gonna log in. I'm gonna enter my password. It's secret. Okay, now we're off to Google account. So as you see here, when you create your Google account, log into it, this screen will appear. And to create a YouTube channel, you have to go over here. Okay, once you go here, you will see some screens to create a YouTube channel. But first, I can't really show it now, but yes, after you have created a YouTube channel, well, I will create a video on this. Yeah, I will. But yeah, after that, you have to do something, and yeah, we'll start off with our topic: YouTube tips and tutorials. Okay. So, as you see some videos here, and yeah, there are several categories in which you have to upload videos, such as I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so wait some time because of my Wi-Fi. Okay, we're gonna edit this one. Yes, advanced settings. Here's the category. So first you have to choose which category are you choosing. Well, the trending ones today now are going cartoon stars, gaming, people and blogs, comedy as well, entertainment, and yeah. So I have a gaming channel, and I will advise you on gaming tutorials and gaming. I'll give you some gaming advice. Okay, so let's start off with this website. Okay, first to create a gaming website, gaming channel, you need some softwares like these. OBS, this one, OBS, Open Broadcaster software, Filmora. Well, this one's the best one, I think so. Filmora screen as well. It's also the best one, yeah. So when you've created the software, start recording. I have also created videos how to start recording. This one here. Wait a minute. Video. goes so slow. Okay, this one, OBS recording tutorial. I'll be presenting you filmoras as well soon. Okay, so once you have created a recording channel, you see what games are going trending now. Well, I think the going trending now are Fortnite, PUBG, and GTA 5. Like I have subscribed that, so my screen comes out like this. Well, and yeah, one more important thing: you need a good PC to run games and for good recording as well. Like this one, see my specs, they are like kind of medium. Okay, well, if you don't have good specs, you can also go for low-end PC games. And yeah, okay, so here we go. Once you have recorded a games video, you need to obviously upload it. So I'm gonna go and show you how to upload one. I'm gonna go here on this icon, click it up, and the music again. Okay, looks like my Wi-Fi is going slow again. I'm gonna reload the page. Okay, here we go. Create a video, of course. We're gonna go to upload video. Here we go. We have here this box. You click it up and start your uploading. Make sure to select good titles and good subtitles and things like that, so that your YouTube video could go good. Well, my suggestion is that not to ever give up, work hard, and yes, editing is the main thing you have to do every time. Okay, let's go to my creator studio. I have to tell you for something. No, like I have a bunch of videos. Some are good, some are awesome, and some are not even like whoa, big nerds. Okay, and then go see my videos here. Look at this. See this one. Stop this fucking music. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see this one. How to remove flag in Prince of Persia: Forgotten Sands. Yeah, like this. Select audio so that people like your videos. And yeah, go with the notepads to tell people about your videos. Select good editing tools and things like that. Okay, so one more thing is that how to be good at gaming. Well, what I have to say is that just play all the time, not all the time. Studies is also important. Play almost like 1 hour a day, and just work hard. And that's all from my side. Thank you.